Okay, this is going to be a short video on a 2.0 EcoBoost Ford engine 2017 Escape. Changing spark plugs over coil packs, which here they are, which is not too bad to do, unless if they did not have this pipe here to get off. It goes way back here, and it lays right on top of number 3 and 4. So when you go to take 3 and 4 out, you have to take off this pipe and all these other pipes, the air cleaner, all these pipes, which takes you longer to do that than it does to change the plugs. And to top it off, the top screw, which is here, is in the back side, way back here where my hand is. And you can't get a wrench on there. And you would think it's the same size as the other ones, being 5/16, but it's not. They hid a screw back there, and it's 7mm. You can't get at it unless you use a swivel, and they change the size to make it stupid. So I just thought I'd warn you that changing the plugs, which I've already done, your iridium plugs, they cannot be gapped. They are factory set. If they're wrong, you have to take them back to the parts store. But the injectors, or the coil packs, and the spark plugs are not hard to change, but getting all this stuff out will double your time on the job. It will take you twice as long because of all these parts. Okay, this has been Mick Tech Al's service, and I hope this will help you. Bye.